Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics, and I have this really cute Halloween card for you today, Boo to You. And it is from this really cute set that's coming out September 4th in our new holiday catalog with Stampin' Up. And it's got all these cute little guys. I'm using this one today and this little saying. And if you notice here, I'm using some of our new designer series paper. It's a mercury glass. Isn't that cool? And it just makes the paper underneath show through. So that's what I'm using today. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm using a piece of Highland Heather cardstock, and I've already cut it. You can get all my dimensions and measurements over on my blog at StampFUNatics.com. And I've cut a piece of our mercury glass paper. And I'm just going to take some of my snail because it's clear, and putting a lot in the middle there because that's where my little guy's going to go and you won't really see it. But when you put it on the card, you really don't notice this glue at all. It's not like vellum and it doesn't really show through, but it sticks really nice. Okay, then I took one of our stitched circle framelits, so let me show you. These are our stitched shapes, and they come in circle and ovals and squares, and this is our item number for it. And I went ahead and cut one out, and I'm gonna take my Memento ink and my little guy, and I'm just gonna put him right in the center of the circle, like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna use some blends today to color him. I'm going to be using for his mouth light cherry cobbler, and if you notice, I went ahead and labeled all of my blends on the end, so when I have them in my container like this, I can see the light or the dark, whichever one I need to use. So I'm going to use that for the mouth. I'm using light Highland Heather and dark Highland Heather for his little horns. And then I'm also using light pumpkin pie for the little dots and for his toenails. And I'm using the shaded spruce, the light shaded spruce for his body. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color. And just wanted to say how cute these guys are. I couldn't wait any longer to start doing a little bit of Halloween. So thank you for joining me. And he's just really cute. I don't think he's creepy, although one of the little sayings in this set is just a little creepy, and I did use that on another one that I'm going to be showing you later. I'll do another video and you'll get to see that one, so stay tuned. I'm going to do 6 weeks of Halloween this year instead of 12, because I really want to get into the holiday stuff too, so I'm cutting it back a little bit this year. But be watching for those videos. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, because you don't want to miss them. They're going to be a lot of fun. And also, I'll be showing you some of the holiday stuff in between. So stay tuned. And if you like the video at the end, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that too. And if you'd like to make a comment and tell me about how you like the products or what's your favorite, you go ahead and do that. All right, so I think we're almost done with the green. And let me just finish out around his eyes there. And I know what I forgot to do with the other one. We're going to do it now. All right. We're going to take first the light Highland Heather, and we're going to just do his horns around those little circles. And then I'm also going to do this side. And then I'm going to take the darker Highland Heather, and I'm just going to go around the edge a little bit just to kind of give it a little bit of shadowing. And the one thing you want to do with the blends to blend it is you want to come back with your lighter marker and just go ahead and blend that out a little bit. And then that'll dry and it'll look great. And then I'm going to take my light cherry cobbler, and I'm going to do the inside of his mouth. And I'm going to leave the teeth white. He's a good guy. He didn't eat too much candy, so he left his teeth pretty good. I thought about making him yellow, and then I thought, no, I want to encourage kids to have good teeth. Okay. And then let's see his toenails. We're going to do in that light pumpkin pie. And I think just these little dots to bring it back up a little bit. And we're done. Okay, so I also went and took our layering circles, and this is the item number for our layering circles. These are all our circles. Some are plain and some are scalloped. And I went ahead and I cut the second to the largest one out. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some adhesive and go ahead and put that on. And then what I want to do is I'm going to take a little bit of a stronger adhesive, and I'm going to take my ribbon. Now we have this new spruce, shaded spruce I believe it's called. Yes, shaded spruce with some gold running through it. And I'm just going to make a loop like that and crisscross so that my guy can sit in the middle of that. And I'm going to lay that in there right into where I put that tape. And then, let's see, I got my scissors and we'll just cut that. And I think I'm going to cut that in that direction, so I might want to go a little shorter. There we go. And I'm going to take some of our dimensionals and I'm going to put it on the back on either side. And I'm going to put one down here that kind of holds that, and then one up in between here. And we're going to put that on the center of our card. Up a little bit though, because I want to have room for my saying. All right. Let's bring our card in. So we're just going to make him like that. That's pretty good. And the gold is so pretty, it can show from either direction, however you want it to fold. And then this, I just wanted to bring over a little bit more. And now we're going to stamp our saying, which is Boo to You. And I'm going to be using our Highland Heather ink. Just going to take a little piece of scrap, Whisper White. All right, I kind of blocked there, so let's do it on the back. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and punch that out with our 1-inch circle punch. Go ahead and put that in. Good there. And then I'm taking my 1 1/8 scalloped circle, and I'm going to cut out a piece of the shaded spruce just to bring that color back up. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little snail there. And then I'm going to add a dimensional to pop it up. So we'll just add one onto the back. This is a real fast and easy card, but I think it's adorable. I'm hoping you're going to like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And we're just going to put that down by the bottom. And that's our card. Isn't that cute? Wait a minute, I forgot to show you one thing, and that's these cute assorted googly eyes that we have. They come in white, there are some that are in green, they have the orange, and they have some purple. So I think what I want to use is maybe one of the orange ones. And I'm just going to take it and put it on a glue dot like that. Pick it up and put it on his eye. And let's get one more. Oh, there we go. And we're going to put it on our glue dot again. And I'm using my U-Picket tool to pick it up with the gummy part and then stick it onto my glue dot and pick it up with the paper piercing part. And doesn't that look cute? Okay, so tell me which one. Leave a comment and let me know. Do you like them with the googly eyes or without? Thanks and have a great day. So that is our new Boo to You that'll be coming out September 4th. Add it to your wish list, and then you can come with me at StampFUNatics.com. Use my current host code and I'll send you out a thank you when you place your order. Thanks and have a great day. And don't forget, you can go to my blog and find out the dimensions and the supplies that I use. Thanks.